Most small businesses don't realize this. They're losing revenue every single day. Not because of bad service, but because no one answered the phone. And here's the real issue. It's not a staffing problem. It's a systems problem. Customers don't wait anymore. If they call and no one answers, they move on to your competitor immediately. Now here's where most people hesitate. Is AI going to replace my team? Will it feel robotic? Will it hurt my brand? Let's clear that up right now. Voice AI isn't replacing your team. It's protecting your revenue. Today's voice AI can handle up to 70-80% of routine customer calls, respond instantly, 24/7, qualify leads before your team even steps in, and businesses using AI-assisted customer service are seeing response times improve by over 60% and conversion rates increase significantly. This isn't future technology, it's already happening. Let's talk real impact. More answered calls means more booked appointments. More qualified conversations means higher conversions. And fewer interruptions means your team can focus on what actually drives revenue. That's operational efficiency. That's ROI. When voice AI connects to your CRM, every call becomes data. Every interaction becomes insight. Now you're not just answering calls, you're learning from them. But here's where most businesses get it wrong. They deploy AI and then they leave it alone. And over time, performance drops, responses drift, opportunities get missed. At Align Strategy Partners, we don't just deploy AI systems, we continuously refine them. We analyze your customer call patterns. We optimize how your AI responds, how it qualifies leads, how it drives engagement. So your system actually gets smarter over time. That's the difference between using AI and operating with intelligence. AI is no longer optional. Intelligent systems are becoming the standard. If you're ready to stop missing opportunities and start building systems that work for you, Align Strategy Partners can help you design it right.